Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Nikki the Bombshell Biker and welcome back to my channel. Today we are currently finishing up the pre-SCMM ride up to Big Bear. We're going to cruise through Oak Glen before we head out to Palm Springs for the last little leg of our journey today. But it has been an amazing day of riding. We've had so much fun. Jay Fast and a couple of his friends came down from Canada. We've had Brandon Picasso here. Meatball Rebel. Oh my god, it's been a great day. Chuckster was out with us, Psych Nurse Chris. Amazing turnout. And it was just beautiful riding. Like, could not have asked for a better day of riding. Even though it's hot as balls down here, it was beautiful up in Big Bear. So, as I said, now we're heading through Oak Glen. So we're gonna cruise through there before we head out to Palm Springs to really sweat our balls off because it is disgusting out there. And I wasn't actually originally supposed to be able to come on this ride. I was supposed to be at work, but I have a really awesome supervisor and she was like, go. And I said, don't have to tell me twice, girl, out. So I'm just, oh man, blown away by how great the bikes turned out. And by like how much fun this day has been. Like, I cannot get over what a great day it's been. Like, awesome group of riders. We had everybody pretty much stay over at our house last night and we made dinner and we didn't get my tank back till last night, and normally Jay would have kept it for another 24 hours. But she knew, you know, we had the event coming up, so she rushed it together for us, and so, you know, we were able to put my bike together last night at like 1 o'clock in the morning, but we got it done. It looks amazing. Oh my god, I'm like so tickled pink about it. I can't even, there's no words for how much I love it. And we're not done adding to the bike. We're going to add some more customizations, kind of akin to Ozzy and the Indian. Like, her bike is breathtaking, and hers is a wrap too, and like that blew my mind because I didn't know you could do that with a wrap, and that kind of inspired a lot of like what I plan on doing with Lucy. So pretty stoked about it. Whew, I am hot. It actually feels really nice here in Oak Glen right now. I think it's like in the high 80s. When we're heading to Palm Springs, it's in the 110s. We're in the hot teens. That sounded creepy. I won't say that again, sorry. I apologize. But it's been a really great day so far. Got up early, made the boys breakfast, rode up to Big Bear, had a really good lunch. It's been awesome. Like, what more could a girl ask for, guys? Long day of riding, good group of guys. I'm a happy camper. Everyone should be this happy. Got a little anxious on the way down the mountain. Took my time. That was fine. Told the guys, hey, BT dubs, taking my time. If you're behind me, sorry. And great group of guys they are. We're just like, ride your ride. Like, well, you do you, and we'll go around. Like, we'll make it work. So it's been really nice having a really supportive group like that to ride with, because I don't feel like I'm being pushed beyond my limits or anything. And if I need to slow down, I slow down, and they're super understanding, and they don't, you know, make me feel like shit about it. And fun fact, only girl on this ride today. No other ladies. There was supposed to be another girl that was from this like company, and she ended up backing out, which is fine. Like, what ifs? I think she might have been riding passenger anyways. And like, not to put down passengers, but it's different. Riding on the back is different. I'm super proud of myself. I really pushed my limits today. I've been putting off Big Bear for a long time. Not because I didn't think I could, but because it just made me nervous, and you know, my anxiety, and that has a very big factor in everything I do in life. Work, job, you know, work, jobs, work, social situations, it affects it, and riding a bike, that affects it a lot. I've been pretty open about, oh look, horses, about those things. And so today, I got a little anxious, and I dealt with it, and I did just fine. I knew when to say I was panicking, and I knew when to slow down, and everybody was super supportive. So couldn't have asked for a better group today. Oh my God, I'm so incredibly pleased with my day and this whole weekend, I'm sure, because we're going to be with this group all weekend long, because they're a good group of guys, and I'm super excited to spend the weekend with them. Like, it's going to be awesome. It's only Friday, and we're having a good time. So, not mad about it at all. And it was nice to have, you know, a house full of bikers. And I posted it on my Facebook, which is my personal Facebook, and I was just like, you know, I got a house full of bikers and a smile that stretches from ear to ear. Because that, for me, that was my childhood. You know, my dad would bring home a group of bikers, and they were all, you know, my uncles, and my mom was like a 24-hour kitchen and bartender and innkeeper, and it was really nice to step into that role this weekend. And it fulfilled a very big part of me that I didn't know I needed to be filled. You know, does that make sense? And you know, we were talking about at dinner last night. The beard was like, well, we can go out to breakfast, and I was like, well, I already grabbed, you know, bacon, and we've got eggs, and I can make pancakes for tomorrow, so we don't have to spend more money. And the guys were like, what? You got dinner and breakfast? And I was just like, yeah, like, that's what you do. You know, you take care of family. And so it's been really nice. Like, oh man, I cannot thank the guys enough for coming down and giving me such a good weekend. And it's only Friday. I know I said it like 3 times, but it's only Friday. I'm so excited. I sound so mad. I get really excited. I get really aggressive. Sorry about it. That's who I am as a person. But oh man, and it's just been beautiful days of windy roads and beautiful views and nice weather. I got bit by something though at one point, and that didn't feel great, but like, that's been the worst part of my day, and like, I am not mad about it. Like, I'll have a bug bite. You know what I will also have? A shit ton of memories that I would have missed out on had my supervisor not been so awesome. So like, shout out to Koi, coming in as the MVP this weekend. She didn't even try. It's been a beautiful weekend. And like, my longest group ride. It's just, oh, he's pulling a Jack's teller. Watch out, arms open. Only like group rides I've been on were the one for Justin's memorial service, and like, oh, no hands. Oh shit. I wouldn't even take one hand off right now. He's taking both hands. That's goals, y'all. Not for me, but like for some of you, I could imagine that being goals. I would pee my pants. I forgot what I was talking about. Oh, the horse! So squirrel today. I'm so tired. Oh. Alright, so since I'm not making any more sense, I'm going to wrap that up here. So just want to remind everybody, stay safe, stay sassy.